Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good sangria wine. First, select a dry, fruity wine as your base. Red wines like Garnacha or Tempranillo work wonderfully, but a crisp white wine such as Pinot Grigio can also create a delightful sangria. Next, gather your fresh fruits. Oranges, lemons, and apples are classic choices. Finally, decide on your sweetener, perhaps a simple syrup or a fruit liqueur to balance the flavors. To get the most flavor, thinly slice your chosen fruits. This allows their juices to mingle beautifully with the wine. For an extra layer of complexity, a splash of brandy or an orange liqueur like triple sec can elevate your sangria. Remember to taste as you go. You can always add more sweetener, starting with about 2 tablespoons of sugar to achieve your perfect balance. Chilling is crucial for sangria. Allow your mixture to refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This extended chill time lets all the flavors meld together, creating a harmonious and delicious drink. When ready to serve, pour your sangria into a large pitcher over plenty of ice, and don't forget to add some of those wine-soaked fruit pieces to each glass for a beautiful presentation. Sangria is incredibly versatile. Feel free to experiment with seasonal fruits like juicy peaches, sweet berries, or even pomegranates for a unique twist. For a refreshing fizz, add sparkling water or a light soda just before serving. This adds a lovely effervescence. And while you're exploring new flavors, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy customizing your perfect sangria.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.